legend of Moya Teopua, the sleeping woman in the garden long ago in Paia. A girl was born so beautiful that she was named Vahine Moya Teopua, the sleeping woman in the flower garden. One day, at the age of 6, she suddenly disappeared. Her concerned parents were informed by a priest that she had been put under a spell which transformed her into a rare and beautiful green flower, unique in color, shape, and fragrance. A young man named Ta'aroa decided to try his luck in finding the girl. On the 6th night, in the valley without food or sleep, the young man finally found the beautiful green flower. Finally, the girl emerged from the flower, and she was even more beautiful than one could imagine. At last, the spell was broken,